this video we're going to start the delete functionality of our CRUD app. Having finished create, read, edit, now we are in the last function, that is delete. So the code goes like this: at app.root bracket quote /delete underscore user /int :id close quote and close the bracket. Define function def delete underscore user id :. Let's open the file with open users.txt. We're loading the data. Once we load, after we finish loading, we will filter the data so that we pick up the item that will be deleted. So as file users equals json load file. Okay, this loads the data. Now let's do the list comprehension to filter the data. Users equals u for u in users if u id ufid is not equal to id. Now we filtered that. Now with open users.txt comma w as file json.dump users file indent to indent so that it goes to the next line instead of just staying on the first line. Now return redirect URL for index. So that is the functionality. Once we have done that, let's go to the browser. You see now browser. Now let's test it with adding one more item. See, this is the fourth item. Here we added this. Now we want to delete this. Let's do that. U is not defined, so there is some typo here. Let me get back to this. Oh, here you see the typo. That was a cap U. Okay. Now this should work. Press it. Go to the browser. Refresh it. See, it's deleted. You want to delete the next? See, that is deleted. This is how we complete our CRUD app with Flask. This was simple. This was doable. It achieved all the functionalities without installing many libraries and frameworks. Just one installation of Flask completed all these tasks. And the code is also very simple. It is within 50 within about 51 lines of codes to achieve all this. It appears similar to the Express app in JavaScript. Those of you who are familiar with JavaScript, this is similar to Express app, yet it has all the functionalities. And we have add function we dealt on our second video of the series. Here we have add template, edit we did, and index we did the reading. So this was the last part of this. I hope this has been a useful series for you, and I hope it gives you a complete idea of how it is possible to create a CRUD app using Flask, and I hope you are able to start this with ease. Any comments? Please write down and I will respond to all of the comments. If anything is not clear, please keep that also comment below. And thank you for listening to it. I hope you learned something new. Stay tuned for another video about Python functions. Thank you.